bitch. Catch a nigga lagging with that Glock and shoot the whole world. Yo, ayy, I made my flow switch. I'm a dog feeder when I step back.
Jody, gang, 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 gang. What's poppin', y'all? It's your boy Jody, man. Y'all should already know how I'm rocking already, man. No cap. By the title of the video, man, today's video I will be showing you guys how to tie up a velvet durag. And I will be showing you guys 2 ways, not one, but 2 ways on how you can tie up your velvet durags. So if you don't know, man, velvet durags are not for waving, man. So if you're trying to get waves, velvet durags are not for you, man. Go ahead and get you some silk durags. Velvet durags are only and strictly for styling. So if you having you a bad hair day, or you just missed the barbershop and you gotta get out there in them streets, man, you can slap one of these bad babies on, man. You know what I'm saying? I stay with my velvet durags on, man. I love how they look on me, man. You know what I'm saying? I got flavors, you know what I'm saying? We got flavors for days, you know what I'm saying? We got flavors for days. Let me just show y'all real quick. Let me just show y'all. You know what I'm saying? Let me just show y'all. I got a man bun. So these velvet durags are not only for the wavers, you know what I'm saying? Before we get lit with the video, man, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel, man. I need everybody go ahead and hit that notification bell for your boy Jody Joe. And last but not least, if you haven't already, man, go ahead, swing your boy a follow on Instagram right now, man. That'll do your boy much wonders. I greatly appreciate it, man. And all of that good stuff. But that's enough of me yapping around, man. Let's go ahead, get lit. Let's go. Alright, gang. So first thing is first, man. There are different ways on how you can tie up your velvet durags. I'm gonna be showing you guys the different ways on how I tie up my velvet durags or whatnot. So first thing first, man. Always wear the velvet part on the outside, as you can see. You see that? On the outside. You never wear this velvet part on the inside of your head. You know what I'm saying? I don't care if you got waves, braids, whatever. It's a no-no, man. This is a huge no-no. Smack your hand if you're doing that, man. It's a no-no. So the first way I'm gonna show you guys is the knotless one. So basically all you doing is, man, making sure that it's centered and lined up like that. You're gonna tuck both of them behind your ears like that. And then you just wrap the first one around. Boom. Just like this. And you make sure that this is flat and it's lined up evenly. You know what I'm saying? Like, boom. So you wrap this all the way around like that, and then all you're gonna do is tuck it. Boom. That's what I do. You just tuck it. And then you do that for the same one, for the other one. You wrap it around evenly. Make sure that it's flat. Boom. Just wrap it around, and then you just tuck it. Make sure everything is lined up right. Boom. Pull that down. And look at it, man. Look at it. Knowledge. You don't see no knots in the back. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. It's easy, man. You know what I'm saying? So if you don't like this, all you gotta do is turn it around like that. And you just tuck it. Boom. You just tuck it. That's all I do is just tuck it. There we go. Voila. Magic. Now that's just one of the ways, man. That's just one of the ways, man. That's just one of the ways. So I'm gonna show y'all another way on how y'all can tie up y'all velvet durag. So another way on how you can tie up your velvet durag is, I really ain't got no name for this one. I'm just gonna show y'all how, how it goes. So we do the same thing. You make sure the velvet is on the outside. You tuck both of them behind your ears like that. You make sure that this line is evenly centered in the middle. Boom. So you're gonna do the same things though. You're gonna wrap one part evenly flat. Evenly. Boom. And make sure you tugging this too, you know what I'm saying? Make sure it's not loose up there, man. Make sure that's nice and tight. Evenly. You wrap that. So I just, you know what I'm saying, I just put it in my mouth just to hold it. And then you do the same thing for the other one. So when you got it like that, you got it even. And then all you doing It's just tiny. Boom. Boom. You just tying it like you tying a shoe, man. Boom. And I guess that's the knot way. Again, if you know what I'm saying, if you're not an old school head, you know, an old head that wear their do-rags like this, and you don't like all that, man, it's two ways how you can get rid of this. You can just tie this, boom, just like you tying a knot. Boom. You can do that. That's one way how you can do that, you know what I'm saying? Or, just like I showed y'all with the first method, you can just roll this in the back. Just roll it. Just roll it. Y'all see that? There you have it, man. If you're trying to get you some waves, man, go get you a silky do-rag, man. Velvet do-rags are only for styling. Go out, kick it, got a bad hair day. You know what I'm saying? You missed the barbershop, can't get cut, lining all up. You know what I'm saying? Slap you on the velvet do-rag. Alright, that pretty much wraps up the video, gang. If this video helped you out a lot, man, do not hesitate to like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you already knew how to tie your do-rags up just like how I showed you guys, still like, comment, subscribe, man. Show your boy Jody Joe some love, man. Everybody turn on post notifications for your boy. I greatly appreciate it. And last but not least, man, go and hit your boy up on Instagram. Go follow your boy. Follow, man. Until next time, man. Gang.